The new Huda Beauty lip stains. Come on. Everyone is talking about these. Let's just try them out. Let's do test wear, swatches, and all that jazz. Hi everyone, my name is Isa and this is Moody makeup channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, then please do so. Now let's dive into it. If your lips are super small, very thin, if you don't like the shape of your lips, or if you're just not the best lipstick wearer, then this may be just for you. And it's also kind of a controversial product right now. Let's see why. So first of all, I bought 4 shades and yesterday I stored them in this beautiful wooden cup because they need to be stored downwards so that product can bleed into the applicator. I really wanted to give this product a good chance. I didn't go for super dark ones because my lips are super pale. I have small lips, as I said, so I think that at least these two are gonna look dark on me already. I bought baby pink, rosewood, then the soft nude and cherry red. I was just so excited for this launch because I'm the one who licks the lipstick and the lip liner off my lips in 1 hour. I'm like, even though I love makeup, I do makeup for a living as well, I'm actually the worst, and at the same time my upper lip is so thin, so it looks so weird when I lick off a small parts of my lip liner or lipstick. So because of that I thought, maybe this is what I needed my whole life, because if this stays on like it should, then I won't have that problem anymore. But of course these are lip tints. That means that the opacity will go throughout the day. It shouldn't stain your lips in a way that you can't take it off anymore. So the opacity will go, but it's gonna stay longer, and it's gonna, or at least it should, way it wears off, it should be way better. And it should look prettier. The thing that I'm the most concerned about this product is how it's gonna apply. The packaging itself, it looks, for me, very, very nice. The price, it's around, probably varies, but I think that one is like 21 euros. The applicator, it's very interesting. It's not pointy. It's slim if you like turn it on one side. It's squished here. But it's like very fuzzy, if that's the right word. The big controversial around this product is that for this kind of money, you get only 1 milliliter inside. What? For me, this is very interesting. We already had this kind of debate with the Pinpoint concealer from Lisa Eldridge, and I think that that one went horribly. So, you know, you kind of have to decide if this is worth your money or not. I'm very curious if I use these regularly, like on day-to-day basis, how quickly they will run out of the product. The one from Essence that it's super cheap, it has 2.5 milliliters, just for the reference. The shelf life of this is 12 months. So please comment down below, what do you think? Would you buy this? Would you spend so much money? Lip liner stains already exists. This is not like something completely new, something that Huda invented. But why I was so drawn to this is because of the shades. So now let's do swatches and try them on. Baby pink. Let's just swatch it. This is the lightest one. So this is it. Because I'm super pale, you can see this shade a little bit better than on others. I mean, me personally, I'm grateful for this kind of a super light shade, because when I'm using lip liners, almost every single shade turns too dark on me, in a sense that if I want to use it for every day, I don't want to have full-on lips. I need something that's gonna contour, shape my lips, but at the same time that it looks natural and not overdone. So let's see. So apparently you need to work quickly. So it's actually easier to use these pens as you would think. My lips are super pale and you can clearly see this shade on me, and I think it's beautiful. I really like it. I really didn't want to buy such an expensive lip oils from Huda Beauty. I'm so sorry. I prefer Catrice lip gloss. These are the best in my opinion. And that's it. So this is Baby Pink. Rosewood. I'm super excited to see how Rosewood looks like. Let's swatch it first. This one, it's Rosewood. I like the shade. Okay, let's see. Wow, this is more cool toned. Oh, I'm loving this one. I think this could be potentially my favorite. I love it because it's a cool toned shade. I cannot believe how easy it's to apply this. So this was my main concern because I'm not like the one to create at first like a beautiful line. If I'm nervous, if I'm in a hurry, I can screw up the lines. So that means a lot to me. And I love the shade. For example, this is from Essence. This kind of a tip that it's very pointy. It's so hard to use, guys. It's so hard. It's so like wobbly. This is like a great applicator. An amazing applicator actually. And now what I'm gonna do, I have 2 more shades. I'm gonna actually apply the red one as my lip liner, and then I'm gonna apply this one in the middle, in the center, and then I'm gonna do a test wear. But first, let's do swatches. So I have here Soft Nude. Loving this shade as well. Soft Nude. And then the red one, it's called Cherry Red. It's this one. Why I decided to pick up the red one. Usually, when I wear a red lipstick, it's the worst. You have to be super careful throughout the day. You know, so many things to worry about. Also, when it wears out in the middle, it can look super weird, patchy, and like not very appealing. And that's why I thought that actually a red lip stain is the most genius idea. Okay, let's just try to remove as much as I can. And I'm not gonna use an oily cleanser so that we can see if I really rub how much I can get off. Wow. Okay, my lips are already sore, so I'm not gonna, you know, rub it more. Let's do the red one, the Cherry Red. And now the nude, soft nude. Also, I really wanted to do a test wear with this red one because it's the most like obvious if it's not wearing the best. You can build up the shades as well. I can see that right away. So I must admit my lines are not the best with this one. Soft nude, Cherry Red. So now I'm thinking if I should do like just a red lip, it would look way better than these two together. I don't know, I just thought the soft nude's gonna look a little bit more nude-ish, not so brownish. Maybe I applied too much and I built it up. But that's the point of this video, you know, so you don't need to make the same mistakes. I'm just gonna apply my gloss and I will see what to do. I don't like it. I don't like the combo. I need to apply the red in all over my lips. Now that I rubbed it off a little bit, I think it looks way better. It doesn't look as bad now, but it's still not the best combo. Go with the red one. I also really like this red. I like that it's not too bright, not too in your face. I don't know, I'm impressed. I have to say that I'm very impressed by this Now I will leave it so that it can dry down because I still have a bit of gloss on. That can actually affect the wear time. I probably didn't thought that through. Now that it dried down a little bit, we can see if it's gonna transfer. Oh, almost nothing. And my lips are very hydrated and glossy. What? Nothing. Oh, this is the rubbing on the swatches. Yeah, nothing comes off, nothing. Let's just do a test wear. After 12 hours, this is the result. I had super oily, greasy pizza, so I think this is actually pretty good for a red lip. Of course, it's not perfect, but I really haven't applied anything. No gloss, no lip balm, nothing. But I ate a lot. And these are the swatches. They are still there, but the lightest one almost faded. Sorry, I don't look the best. If you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't yet. Now you can subscribe to my newsletter as well. It's completely free, the link is down below. Have a lovely day and see you in my next video. Bye.